A very warm welcome to everyone. Today I, Angel,
And I, Summer.
are here to share our views on the special day of labors called the Labor Day.
In the words of Abraham Lincoln, who was a firm believer in free labor, free men, free soil, labor is before and independent of capital. Capital is the only fruit of labor and could have never existed if labor had not existed first. Labor is superior to capital and deserves much more higher consideration.
Labor's Day is a day which honors an amazing group of hardworking men and women in our communities who keep our communities running through their daily hard work. Without their dedication and consideration, our lives would not be easy and result oriented. Now let's take a conversation between me and Summer and have a quiz between us. When did Americans celebrate the Labor's Day in US?
Labor Day is a federal holiday in the United States, which is celebrated on the first Monday of September to recognize and honor the American labor movement. What serves as the primary objective of the Labor Day in the United States?
The primary objective of US Labor Day is to achieve fair treatments and equal rights. Do you know which leader was the labor union in early labor movement and Haymarket incident?
Edwin Victor Debs was an American socialist, political activist, trade unionist, one of the founding members of the Industrial Workers of the World, and a five-time candidate of the Socialist Party of America for the President of the United States. In what year was the first Labor Day parade held in the United States?
The first Labor Day parade in US was held in the New York City on 1882. What does the word "no man" after Labor Day signify in American fashion?
Some historians say bridal clothing was worn by affluent groups who could afford to leave the towns for a warmer coast when the leaves began to change, whereas the ones who can't don white. Which president signed Labor Day into law as a national holiday?
President Grover Cleveland has signed the bill into law on 1894, making Labor Day an official holiday. What is the significance of the Labor Day in Americans?
The manufacturing industry, especially the labor unions within it, were the key advocates for the establishment of Labor Day. The Labor Day was originally intended to honor the workers in which sector?
Labor's Day focused on the workers through their industrial and trade sectors, which marked an important role in building the nation. What is the event when the Labor's Day was celebrated in America?
The Pullman strike of 1894 led to national attention on labor issues and the establishment of Labor Day. Which US state was the first to make Labor Day an official holiday?
Oregon was the first state to make Labor Day an official holiday on 1882. What is the common activity of Americans during the Labor Day?
Watching football, especially the start of the college football season, is a popular Labor Day activity. Why was September chosen for Labor Day instead of May 1st?
September was chosen to avoid association with the Labor Day on the Workers' Day, May 1st. How do Canadians observe their Labor Day?
Canadians observe the Labor Day on the first Monday in September, the same day as the US. Which of these is a global equivalent of the Labor Day in the United States?
May Day is the first day to associate the Labor's Day as the May Day. In a nutshell, I want to conclude my topic by saying that Labor's Day is just not a holiday, it is an emblem of American workforce's dedication. It helps families and friends together on the picnics, barbecues and parades.
Happy Labor's Day!